I'm on my way to the desert in a car from Active Oman. They provide cars and roof tents. I heard Oman is such a beautiful country with a lot of variety nature-wise. So now I'm very curious to go on a camping trip on my own without anybody as a woman. So yeah, I'm excited. Before I enter the desert, I need to go with this car to the gas station to fill it up with gasoline and to release some air from the tires, because apparently you have to release pressure air from the tires before you enter the desert. Once I've done that, I'm gonna go straight in the desert and just look for a nice place to stay, to set up the tent and the camp, make a fire, cook something. Let's see how it goes. Alright, at the gas station right now, the guy is releasing some air. And then I'm ready to go. Yay! Looks like these here are the last houses before the desert finally starts. Hey, so I found a place to stay. I really like it here. As you can see, I'm alone. No one around. And now I'm gonna climb up this hill to see what's the view, what's behind the dune. Exhausting. I made it. The car. Here is the car. And here are the camera. So here you can see all the equipment for cooking from Active Oman. We got a cutting board, 2 plates, 2 bowls, a pot to cook, I don't know, pasta or whatever. Pan, an amazing pan, little can to make tea or coffee or whatever, jar, gas cooker, really nice one. It's so easy with this one. Cutlery, really good knife. It's amazing. Water, so you can just open it. My food inside, blanket, wood to make fire, leather. So I really recommend this amazing tent here. It's just so cozy. Look at the view. You can sleep and then you have this view. Isn't that amazing? And you can really open all the windows. You have mosquito nets, you have stuff to put stuff in here as well. So you really have everything you need.
morning, everyone. So that was a really nice night.
Now it's around 9. The sun is pretty high already. This is why I'm sitting here next to the car, so I have some shade. So yeah, I just did it. I slept one night in the desert alone, and it was amazing. I really went kind of deep in. I think from the entry, 1 hour drive or something, because I really wanted to be in the middle of nowhere, not next to any camp or something. So I drove a little bit. So I was really alone. I got everything, all the equipment from Active Oman, like this amazing car, then the car tent, which is so easy to set up. Literally in 2 seconds it's just built and you can go sleep. They gave me all cooking equipment, blanket, sleeping bag, wood for the fire, cooling box, water to wash, just anything you need camping they provide. And it was just really easy and simple, and yeah. On my way to Wadi Hawer now. Beautiful riverbed, super nice to swim. The guys from Active Oman recommended it to me, so let's check it out. Alright, on my way to the waterfall in the Wadi Hawer. Let's see if I find it. Looks already nice. In 10 minutes or something. Wow. Crystal clear water. Alright. I'm climbing now up here, and I hope that leads to somewhere, because I don't want to swim, because I want to bring my phone. I'm walking still. I hope I'll find this waterfall. Let's see. All right. Okay. Climbing from there. Here. Nice. Good for climbing. It's fun. All right. I decided to now swim and leave my bag here. Wow. The waterfall my friend told me about. Okay, so now I'm on my way back from Wadi. I'm walking back. Start to get a little bit windy. And I'm gonna climb again.